everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me. There, that looks good. This is going to be for the week of March 26th to April 1st. This is going to be Easter week, and I'm going to be using this kit from Scribble Prints Co. This is her freebie that came with it. I think I showed you this in a haul video. This is in the freebie. This is the glitter headers, flags, appointment labels, and quarter boxes. These are the full boxes, which I'm gonna look at that chocolate bunny. I think I'm gonna use a double box on the weekend. Very cute. These are, oh, I think this is the mini kit. Some of the other labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment labels. The checklist, the weekend banner, icons, 3 heart checklist, flags, and bigger appointment labels. A little bit of deco, then the bottom washi and regular washi, and habit trackers. I don't have many plans this week, but here they are. Monday I have a day off because it is a state holiday. We have Scorpion, the Good Doctor. This plan with me is probably going to go up on then. Tuesday we have NCIS. I've worked that day and I'm probably going to put up a book review. Wednesday I am going to put up last week's plan with me from the Shop Jessica, 2 weeks ago, from the Shop Jessica Hearts kit. I have Criminal Minds and work. Then Thursday there is work. I'm also going to try and put up another video that day. And I need to deposit money. Friday I have the day off, but there's Hawaii 5-Ho, and I'm probably going to put up another video that day. Saturday I don't have anything, and Sunday is Easter. So let's get started. I'm going to put down the bottom washi and the glitter headers. Probably going to speed through that. Oh, and I might put down the full boxes. So I'm probably going to speed through this whole section. So put my full boxes down, the bottom washi, the headers, the full box on the sidebar with the Happy Easter quote. Then I also put down the plan next week sticker. I'm going to put in my work labels now. I'm gonna just put that on the top box of each column. And there is that. Then I'm going to put in the TV shows. So I have Scorpion and the Good Doctor on Monday. I have NCIS on Tuesday. And oh, I forgot a label. I have Criminal Minds on Wednesday. And on Friday, I have Hawaii 5-0. So there is what that looks like. This is what last week is turning out like. Well, these are my current sticker sheets. It is currently Saturday and I'm filming. So yeah, I have a lot to film today, but yeah, I've been loving the colors of this kit. Very bright and florally and fun. And yeah, it's from Simply Ginger Co. Didn't do a plan with me on that, but yeah, been enjoying that. Next, I'm gonna put in the I am actually going to do the sidebar. I'm going to grab a glue, so I'm gonna move it that way. Zoom you guys in. I'm gonna grab a glitter header. So I'm gonna grab the pink glitter header. Then I'm gonna grab the 2 habit trackers. Because I want to keep track of my notes. Wait, I'll use this one. Taking my meds and then reading, and then I'm going to put another glitter header. Use the yellow one. And then I'm going to use a this week's sticker. for the ombre heart checklist. And this will be keeping track of the videos and blog posts this week. And then I'm going to put in another glitter header. And I'm going to put to do. Header. Oh, those match. Anyway. To do header with that matches. 3 heart checklist. And then, or should I put 6? Maybe I should put both checklists. Yeah. I will put both checklists and then I'll put a tiny washi strip. Looks like that. So that is the sidebar. Then I'm gonna lay down the weekend banner. Like that. And I'm gonna put in the checklist. So I did move the TV show sticker on this side, and on Wednesday I am also going to put this checklist here. And then I think I'm going to move this Plan Next Week sticker. To here. I can fit my checklist up here. And then I have to put my Sunday checklist here. So that, then I'm going to put how to collect quarter. Put a glitter half box on Monday to say that it's the holiday, the state holiday. Then I will also on Monday put down this hearts. No, that's fine. No, because that goes in the checklist. Then I will also put a half box on Friday because that is also the holiday. And then I might put a half box on Sunday eventually, but I'm gonna leave that blank for now. And that's about it for now. I am also gonna put in this deco across the top. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. My life hasn't been that exciting lately, and I've been loving that more plan as I go style, so I don't have any of this stuck. Okay, so that is all the deco, and yeah, I've been loving that more plan as I go style. I hope that you guys, and not filling it out on camera because I feel like my handwriting is a little better when you see it later on. But yeah, I really enjoyed this plan with me. I loved this kit. It looks so pretty. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, keep up with me on social media. I will try and post midweek and end of week photos, and or at least the very least a full week spread so you can see how it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoy this plan with me, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.